Lucy, come.
Oh, boy. She wanna kiss you. You want your belly wobble? Mama.
Lucy, what happened? What happened? What did you do? No. No.
Sorry, baby. I love tickling.
No. Let me see what she's doing. You're not doing anything. Say no. Say no again. No. 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 No.
Princess! I love you! Yes, I do.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Princess, why'd you
Yes.
throw all over?
Yes. Videotape it. Videotape it. Yes. 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 What happened? What happened?
Yes! Yes!
Yes.
Yes, Princess, yes!
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Oh my
Yes! Yes, Princess, yes!
Yes.
Princess, yes! 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 Yes!
Yes.
Yes! Yes!
Yes.
Um,
Oh yes.
Yes! Yes! Ooh, I love you.
Princess,
Yes!
yes.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Yes.
Yes, my baby. Yes!
Yes, Princess.
Lucy! Yes! 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 Yes!
What happened?
Yes! What happened,
What
Princess?
did they... Oh, why?
Why?
Why, baby?
Why, baby? Why?
Oh,
Oh my God! Why would they do that?
oh, wow. I know. I know.
Lucy, why are you doing this to Princess? Why, Princess? Why? Why would she do that to you? Why did she do that to you?
Let's see. Lucy keeps on jumping. Oh, what happened?
Why?
Yes.
No! No!
Oh, yeah.
And you're beautiful. And you've always secretly wished you were me.
Oh.
Yes, baby, yes.
Oh, fine. You don't have to say it out loud. I know.
No! Yes?
Gibbler, nibbler.
Go down, Lucy.
Lucy, what happened? Push her off. Oh, one more time. I didn't get it that good. Again.
Lucy, get off me.
Okay, can you do it one more time? I want her to go on you,
Oh. Princess.
shower. Now push her off.
Go.
Shower, Lucy. Shower.
Shower. Who wants to take a shower?
I can get you, baby. I
Hi.
see your legs. Yo, push. Push. Yes.
Oh, they get jealous.
Who? Oh.
Each other.
What, Princess? Why? Ew. Gross. Oh, she just slaughtered on me.
Lucy, down.
Try to jump off. Get off here.
No more. Just videotape.
Wait, when I go behind me. Lucy.
Now I understand why Princess is talking. Because then she doesn't think it's fair.
She jumps on me all the time.
But still videotape because it's not done yet. There's still a lot talking to go.
Yeah. Princess, walk. Lucy.
Really? Yes. Princess, yes.
Smile for the video.
Yes. Did you talk?
What happened? From your ears. Ow! God
No,
dang
go
it,
down.
Lucy Woosha.
Sit. Okay, I got an idea. Yes? You want a treat? Who wants a treat? Okay, sit. Sit. Sit down. Lucy, sit.
Look, Princess is playing dead. She wants a treat.
Yes, I will call you as soon as I get to LA. Alright? Have fun photographing those baby pandas.
Okay.
Bring one home for me. No.
For Princess?
Oh, Jenny, no, it's illegal. No.
For Lucy.
Oh, he's totally bringing me back a panda. So how excited are you to sing the boy next door on Dad's morning show? To be honest, I'm totally freaking out.
Now they're happy.
Not Lucy. Oh, she's a picky eater.
She's a picky eater. She'll eat right now. Mama, post this on YouTube.
Okay. What should I call it? Dogs talking.